With that, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Finally, we have concluded our bicameral conference committee meeting. Finally, we have reconciled the disagreeing provisions. And finally, we have a budget that we can be proud of and responsive to the Filipino people. Nag-umpisa tayo medyo tense, medyo kinakabahan, pero ako ay kampante na itong budget na ito ay tunay na tutugon sa mga pangangailangan po ng ating mga kababayan. At ang higit sa lahat, itong budget na ito ay corruption-free, at higit sa lahat, wala nang overprice, at higit sa lahat, ito po ang budget na magiging, nasasabi ko, standard for transparency. Lalong-lalo na marami ho tayong inilagay doon na magiging available sa ating mga kababayan. So maraming salamat, Chair Mika Sonsing.
Thank you very much, Sen. Win, and to our distinguished senators, of course, to my colleagues in the House panel. Ito po ay isang makasaysayang araw para sa ating bansa. Sa unang pagkakataon po, ito ang pinakaunang live stream ng Bicameral Conference Committee proceedings. Ito po ang ating paninindigan na totoo yung sinasabi ng Kongreso at ng Senado na gusto na po naming buksan yung tabing sa usapin ng budget. And I hope now that our kababayans were able to see firsthand kung gaano po namin pinaghirapan yung pagbuo ng budget na ito. Officially, our BICAM has run for 6 days. We started last December 13. And now it is 2:20 in the morning on December 18. So ganito po talaga kahaba yung diskusyon kapag talagang gusto natin na siguraduhin na tulad na sinabi na, ni Chairman Win na gusto natin na malinis, transparent yung ating budget na ito po ay talagang tumutugon sa pangangailangan ng ating mga kababayan at talagang isa po itong budget na mapagkakatiwalaan ng bawat Pilipino. Again, thank you to everyone. Thank you to the technical staff. Thank you to the Secretariat and the page, our friends in the media who has stayed with us until the wee hours of the morning for 6 days. Muli, maraming salamat po to everyone here today. This is an achievement for the country. Maraming salamat po.
Nagpapasalamat po ako kay Senator Amy, kay Senator Erwin, kay Senator Lauren, kay Senator Kiko, kahit na medyo senior. Hindi, wala akong sinasabi kung sino. But hanggang 2 a.m. nandito sila kasama natin.
I would also like to say thank you, of course, to Congressman J.J. Romualdo, Congressman Javi Benitez, Congressman Brian Yamsuan, Congressman Pepito Alvarez, Congressman Albert Garcia, Congresswoman Christine Singson Mian, Congresswoman Maricar Zamora, Congressman Rufus Rodriguez, Congressman Marcelino Libanan, and Congressman Alan T. Maraming salamat po.
On the part of the Senate, this bicameral conference committee meeting is hereby adjourned.
On the part of the House, this bicameral conference committee hearing is hereby adjourned.